Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I am so excited. I got my very first ever Trendmood Box. I signed up for the notification some time ago and I got my first email the other day that there was a new one available. I jumped on it and I grabbed it and I got mine and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside and show you guys with me. This is volume 25 of the Trendmood boxes. They are $40 flat. There's no shipping, nothing. It's just $40. This box has $171 value, so we're saving $131 over what these items would be retail. So I'm very excited to see what's in here. Let's check it out. If you are not familiar with the Trendmood box, what they do is they will get first access to new products from brands that we all love and give us great values on that. So I'm very excited to see what's in here. I did see the preview of it, so I remember some of the stuff in here, but not all of it. Some of the stuff, and I'm like, well, that should be interesting. Let's see what it is. So I am excited to see what's in here. All right, first look, what did we get? We got tissue paper. Okay, it's actually really cute. It's very neatly packaged. Inside, we have everything wrapped up in bubble wrap, so I'm just going to set it down and dig in. Our first item in here is the e.l.f. Skin, and this is the bronzing drops. And this is something that you will add to your moisturizer and just as many drops as you want for as much bronzing look as you want to get. It'll make you look like you've just been on vacation, which is always fun in the summertime. So this would be a fun one to do if you don't get a lot of sun and you just want to look like you do. That's a good one. So we've got an e.l.f. product. Oh, our second item is Natasha Denona, and this is a mini palette, I think. And yeah, this is the Mini Crush eyeshadow palette and brush. This actually comes with a brush as well. So, and this is the Valentine one. I want to say I may actually have this one from another box, so that would be interesting if I do. But mine didn't come with a brush, I don't think. And if I do, mine is the full size, and this is the mini, which is great for traveling. And look at those beautiful colors and that really nice brush. These colors are Daisy, Lotus, Koi, Soul, and Claret. So these are beautiful colors. I love that. And Natasha Denona is excellent eyeshadow. Her products are great, so I'm excited for that one. These next ones, I'm just going to pull out two. These are from Tony Moly, which is a Korean beauty brand. And these are jelly lip melts. And I'm not sure if that's coming in blurry or not, but jelly lip melts. Never heard of these before. They look like little jelly molds, which I'm guessing is the point. How cute. Okay, so it definitely looks like a pot of jelly. This is just one of them. And it has a twist to open top. And then you just stick your finger in there and apply your lip balm. That's really cool. I've never seen one like that. A good tinted lip balm. We have two of those. We have one in the pink and one in the purple. So grape and looks like blackberry and watermelon are the two colors, maybe flavors. Our next item is from Vacation. This is called Shake Shake, and this is a 50 SPF. This is a 50 SPF mineral milk facial sunscreen. And I have a Vacation sunscreen already, and I have the Vacation perfume that smells a lot like the Vacation sunscreen, which was their point, I think. But this is a great one, and I'm going to be out in some sun, so I'm going to definitely keep that one going. Great fun product from Vacation. This next item is from JVN, and this says it's a complete nourishing shine drops. So oh, cool. Okay, so this is actually a hair product, and this says, apply to dried hair. The silky silicone-free oil instantly adds incredible gloss without adding weight. That's fun. I don't know if I've ever tried that. So this is a hair shine drop for dry hair. So my hair could always use a little extra shine. So that's really fun. Our next one is from Soft Services, and this is a clearing mist. And this is a medicated breakout tonic. So this is for acne all over, so not just on your face, but anywhere you might break out and some acne, you can use this for it. So that is another awesome product. The next product actually goes with the mist. It's the spray for the top of this. So this has the spray top to go with this. So these go together. Our next item is from M Cosmetics, and this is the Pick Me Up Volume and Length Mascara. I'm excited to see what this looks like. I always love a good mascara. Ooh, the tube is purple too. The outside is purple. The inside is purple. I wonder if the mascara is purple. Really, oh, this is in a black shade. And nice wand. It is a plastic. It is not a natural fiber wand, but I do like that one. I love a good mascara. Our next one is from Vitamasks, and this is a Boost Hydrogel Patch. This says this has B12, green caffeine, has ginseng, CoQ10, vitamin C and E. So this is like a nutrition patch. I've never seen one of those. It says put it on clean, unmoisturized, unsunscreened skin on your wrist. And it shows you on the picture how to apply it on the wrist when your skin is clean. It says this can be worn for up to 12 hours. So maybe if you keep your energy going through the day, wear one of these. That would be kind of fun. That is everything in our Trendmood box for the volume 25. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth and Boxes, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.